Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to back up your Modx database. This is on Modx 1.X, and first you go to your manager, log in, and once you've logged in, if you go over to Tools, you'll see a tab called Backup, and you can click on the Backup tab, and here you can see all of the tables in the database, and you can see how much space is being used for the whole database. It's about 7 megabytes. In this case, if we take a look and hover over some of these items here, we can see that for example, the event log is something that is taking up almost most of the space in the database. In fact, almost 6 megabytes out of 7 megabytes of the database for the website is taken up in the event log. And the event log is something that just says somebody logged in, and it's kind of actually not needed. Same thing with the manager log. It's kind of actually not needed except for reference purposes, but it's not actually part of the site itself. So what we could do is we can truncate this table, and what truncation does is it cuts off all that extra info, and just click on that, and now you can see our database is much smaller. And of course we can do the same thing to truncate the table for the manager log, and that's never going to be empty, because as soon as we truncate it, it records another action that we just took, which was truncating that particular table. So we can also see here we can optimize some of the tables in case they get to be rather large. In this case, though, it's very small for the entire overhead, so we really don't need to worry about that. So now that we've optimized it and got that size down as small as possible, we can choose to back up the tables, and if we wanted to restore them later, say we needed to restore the website, we would want to generate drop table statements. What that does is that removes a table that's already existing before it recreates the table. So if you had a catastrophic failure, or if you had a partial corruption of data, you would probably want to drop those old tables and restore completely from the backup. So I'm putting those in there, and of course you can always modify this file that's created. This SQL backup is a text file, so you can certainly change it. So now that we've got to generate the drop table, and we're backing up all the tables for the website, and we're just going to click here. And what it's going to do, it's going to take it a few seconds, and now you can see it starting to download, and there it is. There's a database backup file, and it ends in .sql. So if you want to give it a name, I prefer to give it a name that has something to do with the website name plus the date, so that I have all that information in one place. And of course you can open the folder, and you can grab that file. You can see that file is right there, and there's the header of the file, and all the information is in there. So that's it. That's all you need to do your backup. So anytime you're getting ready to do a major change to your website, make sure you've got that backup done first. Hope this helps.